down, but your vision is straight line. I want to understand that part. Now, what should investors expect? What is the vision of the company?
So I think the mission of the company and the vision of the company is very simple, which is how do we really democratize internet commerce for 1 billion consumers, millions of small businesses who are manufacturers, distributors, traders, every single logistics company in India to come and participate, right? And we've been basically working on this. If you see, for the last 10 years, we have continuously made progress on this particular mission. Now we have 230 million annual transacting consumers, 700,000 sellers, now about 15,000 plus logistics partners as part of Valmo, right? So we've been continuously making progress towards this vision. But if you look at the total opportunity, number of businesses that are there in India is north of 50 million plus. If you look at consumers, 1.5 billion. You look at logistics companies, again a very large number. So that's what we are basically talking about. Like, we've still not even scratched the surface of this total opportunity. So we are very excited that there is a lot of room for us to keep innovating on and achieve this particular vision.
And as far as your business is concerned, it is more of a scale, the way you are focusing on tier 2, tier 3 cities. How are you planning to scale your business as well as protect your margins?
So if you just purely look about scale, we have a platform business. And the beautiful thing about platforms are that platforms have strong flywheel effects. In some language, they're called network effects once you reach critical mass, which is why reaching scale much faster is very important. Today, a lot of consumers who join us, they join us because we have the largest base of these sellers across the board and vice versa. A lot of sellers join us because we have the largest base of annual transacting users. Which other platform will offer you 23 crore customers to serve? So that's the beauty about platforms. Once you get to critical mass, as they say, you have increasing returns to scale, that you can keep growing much faster, and which is the approach that we have taken. And which is why, if you see, even Dhiresh was mentioning, even now, even at this base, we've been continuously investing. Instead of maximizing profitability, we have been maximizing, hey, can we go out and acquire more users much quickly if we have great returns or payback on that investment amount. So you see, on such a large base, even this year, our NMV was growing 44% year on year. Our orders were growing like 53% year on year. So we see there's still a large opportunity here. And as we keep improving the experience for our consumers, businesses, logistics partners, basically work on every part of the flywheel, we believe that this will keep growing the ecosystem much faster even in the future.
कुछ सवाल मैं ईटी नाउ स्वदेश की तरफ से लेना चाहूंगा, जो हमारे हिंदी के दर्शक हैं. जब आपकी अब लिस्टिंग हो गई है, पहला तो मैं समझना चाहूंगा कि आप इससे संतुष्ट हैं?
संतुष्ट, आई थिंक हम इसको, हमारे लिए कभी भी एक डेस्टिनेशन नहीं था. हम इसको एक इम्पोर्टेंट माइलस्टोन मानते हैं. माइलस्टोन है और इसके साथ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी अब काफी बढ़ गई है. Right, पहले हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी कुछ टू फ्यू प्राइवेट शेयर होल्डर्स एंड टू आवर टीम हु आर आल्सो लाइक शेयर होल्डर्स बिकॉज दे ओन ESOP. बट अब हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और बढ़ गई है. तो ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट माइलस्टोन है. हम इसको ऐसे देखते हैं कि अब ये जो हमारा मिशन है वो सिर्फ हमारा नहीं है, वो सबका मिशन है, क्योंकि उसमें इतने सारे